Bishop Nganga, receive my warmest congratulations and the best wishes of the government and the people of Kenya as you take over this responsibility to look after the spiritual health of our military ordinariate. Your leadership will be vital in guiding those who defend our nation, and I'm confident that under your guidance, the military ordinariate will remain a source of strength for not just our brave men and women in uniform, but to their families and to all who work with them. Even in this moment of celebration, let us take a moment to remember the many heroic men and women whose selflessness, courage, and moral strength inspired them to dedicate their lives and work to the service of our motherland, and especially those who made the ultimate sacrifice in line of duty. Let us honor their memory and gratefully acknowledge their contribution. May their example serve to inspire us to do more and better in the service of our country. May they rest in eternal peace, and may their families find comfort in our respectful recognition of their noble sacrifice and honorable service. May the Almighty God bless our new bishop as he takes over the ordinariate, and may God bless the Kenya Defense Forces and our great Republic of Kenya, a country we so dearly love. Thank you very much.